So today is 17th of April 2020. Study was 16th and we have almost completed a month. Okay, from last 1 month we are carrying this session uninterruptedly. Okay, we have not taken a day rest, and from a month we have taken, and because of that we are on a track. We have finished syllabus on time. Okay, whatever it was there for last month. Okay, keep in the same way, study at home, don't waste time. So now last day we have done the launching of satellite, and we have seen launching of satellite around the earth, and we have seen trajectories like circular orbit and the elliptical orbit. Okay, so again, if I just quickly revise this, if we are launching satellite tangentially, earth is here. Okay, earth is here, and if we are launching satellite tangentially, so the minimum velocity by which it is going to execute this was the minimum velocity which it is going to launch. This we have proved, that is gm by r. This distance was r into 2r by r plus r. Okay, now from this velocity to now this is elliptical orbit, so it has got two focus. One focus is center of this and one focus is here. So this is basically, it is major axis, this is minor axis, this is minor axis. When you increase the velocity, and when this velocity becomes, when both the focus coincides at the point O, that becomes circle. Okay, and that we have done. If velocity is sent, if let's say if v orbital, let's say so here this is v orbital, and that we have seen that is gm by r. So when you are sending with this velocity, this is going to execute a circular path around the earth. Between this and this velocity, okay, this will execute the elliptical motion. It is called near focus, it is called far focus. So earth will be as a far focus. जैसे जैसे ये v increase होगा, this is going to increase its trajectory. जैसे जैसे ये v increase होगा, it is going to increase its trajectory like this. Again, if you increase the velocity, it is going to, and for some velocity it is going to execute the circle, and that velocity will be this v orbital. If you see, this is more than this, because this value is less than this. Okay, so as you keep on increasing the velocity v minimum, which is required to move around the for a satellite to move around the earth, is this much. इससे कम होगा तो it will collide with the earth. Last day we have seen this. Okay, and if you keep increasing this velocity from here, its trajectory will keep on increasing, and for one velocity it is going to move along the circle, which I have drawn here, and here also the black one. If you again increase the velocity, from here, so now when it is a circle, so this center or this focus, two focuses will coincide here. Now this is going, means earth will be at the center of the circular orbit. Okay, now if you again increase the velocity from here, it is going to execute further elliptical path. Now with earth becomes earth, again elliptical path, एक focus यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, एक focus यहाँ पे होगा. So now this will become a near focus. So if velocity is more than this, the earth again it is going to execute the elliptical path with earth as a near focus. Up to what this is going to go? So again, if you increase it, again this is going to execute a circular path as the Earth has a near focus. Earth will be near focus. So you can see here, when V minimum, for which it is going to execute the orbiting of Earth, is an elliptical path which is going to touch here, and Earth is a far focus. If we keep on increasing the velocity, the size of elliptical path is going to increase, and for some velocity it becomes a circular. The black one is circular. The moment it becomes a circular, the two focus coincides, and that becomes the center, and which is here. Means Earth center will become the center of Earth will become the center of that path, that circular path also. Again, if you increase the velocity more than this, again it is going to execute this one, this path. It will again becomes elliptical. जैसे elliptical होगा, now this Earth is close to this, so this Earth will be near focus. Again, if you increase it, again Earth will be near focus. Now it is a longer elliptical path. Okay, up to what velocity it is going to execute the Earth around the Earth. It is going to move around the Earth. So for that, what we have to find? We have to find what is the V, so that it should not leave the Earth gravitational field. देखो तो ये V minimum. So that is our now. So give that in condition for different trajectories. So ये अपने को करना है. Just it is started now. Condition for different trajectories. Condition for different trajectory. So now here, if Earth is launched tangentially at a certain height from the Earth's surface, or certain distance smaller from the center of Earth, the trajectory of the path taken by that satellite depends on the velocity of launching. Trajectory of path taken by the satellite depends on the velocity of launching. Let's say we have seen last day. So last day we have proved this. So this is, let's say, this is my Earth, Mother Earth, and we are, so this becomes R. This is V minimum, for which it is going to execute, it is going to move along the circular path, and we have found this from last day. If you just remember, Gm by R to R by R plus R. This R is greater than R. So if you remember, this value is less than V orbiting. So in this case, what we have seen, if V minimum itna hai, then it is going to execute elliptical path around this, and we have proved this elliptical path. It is, this angle is 90. So next 90 यहीं पे होगा, बाकी जगह 90 नहीं होगा. So this is going to go around the Earth by touching here. This is, इससे कम होगा if V is less than this. If if you not getting, go through the last video that we have done. Okay. If V is less than this, V इससे कम होगा. If let's say this V is less than V minimum, तो क्या होगा? The size of elliptical path will decrease. The size of elliptical path is going to decrease, so it will execute this elliptical path. लेकिन क्या होगा? जैसे निकलेगा, लेकिन जैसे ही यहाँ पे आएगा ना, बीच में अर्थ आ जाती है, it is going to collide with the earth. It is going to collide with the earth. तो अगर V इससे कम है, तो with this V less than V minimum, that satellite will not move around the earth. It will collide here. So minimum V is this. Okay. Now if you keep on increasing this V, what will happen? The size of elliptical path will keep on increasing. Okay. So in the next figure I am drawing this. If you keep on increasing this launching tangential velocity, let's say this V is greater than V minimum, क्या होगा? उस केस में in that case the size of elliptical path is going to increase. Size of elliptical path is going to increase. Here if V is minimum, the focus means elliptical path hai, so this is going to be a far focus with respect to launching. It is far means this satellite is going with this V minimum, this satellite is going to move in an elliptical path as the Earth has a far focus. If you keep on increasing V, the size will increase and the focus जो पहले यहाँ focus था, now these two focus will come close, and for some velocity that we have seen, for some velocity, let's say I'll draw it here, for some velocity that is V equal to gm by r. This is, we have seen, it is V orbital. For this velocity, it is going to move in a circular path. Here, both the focuses will coincide at the center of Earth. Okay. If V is more than this, what will happen? इसको मैं हटाता हूँ. मैं यहाँ से आता हूँ. If V is more than V orbital, if V is greater than V orbital, क्या हो जाएगा? It is going to move again. जैसे बड़ा होगा ये, it will become again an ellipse. It will become again an ellipse, elliptical path with Sun as a near focus with respect to point of projection. Sun will be the near focus with respect to point of projection. कब तक ये elliptical path में move होता रहेगा with Sun, Earth, sorry, when V is more than V orbital, then Earth center is a near focus with respect to point of projection with respect of the satellite. ये कब तक होता रहेगा? जब तक कि मैं इतना velocity ना दे दूं कि ये बाहर निकल जाए, ये कभी फिर लौट के नहीं है. So what is that velocity for which the satellite will not return to the Earth? So that we are trying to develop. ये सब draw कर लेना, लिख लेना, board पे जो कुछ है सब कुछ लिख लेना. So now let's say I am trying to, so now let's develop the equation. Here, this is Earth and this is launching velocity V. कितना हो कि ये इतनी दूर चला जाए कि ये लौट के ही नहीं है. This satellite should go so far कि it should not get returned by the Earth gravitational field. So again क्या करना है? Apply the, this is one and the second position is very far. So apply E1 equal to E2. E1 half m v square minus potential energy G m by r equal to half m u square यहाँ का minus G m by r becomes infinity. R becomes infinity. So if you just see, if you solve this, so this term is 0. Here this cancelled out, so v square minus 2 gm by r is equal to u square. So at the very far distance where the gravitational pull becomes very weak, gravitational potential energy becomes very weak, negligible, at that position if u is greater than 0, then the satellite will not return. So here I can see v greater than 2 gm by r. अगर velocity इससे अधिक है, then satellite will not revolve around the earth. It will escape the earth gravitational field. It will escape the earth gravitational field. Okay, so this is our, the next case that we have, this one. If, so here, if for, so greater than equal to मैंने ले लिया, equal to है, it will just that is sufficient where u becomes 0 at very far distance. If u becomes 0 at very far distance, then earth will not pull it. So you can see v greater than v ऑर्बिटल और v लेस देन दिस, इससे अधिक है तो escape हो जाएगा, अगर इसके बीच में है तब तक ये मूव होता रहेगा. So now let's combine all this in a single format and let's see. So here I am just this is earth. अभी now I am just writing in a earth है, and this is v, this is r, this is 90. Okay, first case, if velocity is less than g m by r orbital into 2r by r plus r. फर्स्ट केस में क्या हो जाएगा, लिखो, ये लिखो, उसके बाद लिखो ये बॉडी, यहाँ पे बॉडी विल रिटर्न टू द अर्थ, बॉडी विल रिटर्न टू द अर्थ. सेकेंड, if v is greater than gm by r 2r plus r, ये याद रखना है. this v is greater than equal to this and less than gm by r, this is orbital. अगर ये वेलोसिटी तुमने दिया है तो क्या होगा, body acquires an elliptical orbit with earth as a far focus, with respect to point of projection. Third, if v is gm by r, then body will acquire circular orbit of radius smaller. इस केस में. थर्ड, here elliptical orbit as earth as far focus with respect to point of projection. This is going to acquire circular orbit. Fourth, if v is greater than this gm by r and less than 2gm by r, ये हमने किया प्रूफ, देखो ये अभी. So क्या होगा, body acquires elliptical orbit with sun as a near focus, with respect to point of projection. Fifth, if v is 2gm by r, again velocity of escape is different. Velocity of escape was 2gm by r. 2gm by r, that was the velocity of escape, where r is the radius of earth. In this case it's a 2gm by small r is the radius. This is small r, radius of this point of projection. It is from the earth's surface. This is escape velocity from the certain height from the earth's surface. ठीक है, दोनों में डिफरेंस है. तो it is 11.2. This will depend on the small r, from which height you are trying to project the satellite. Okay, तो दोनों को कंपेयर, तो ये लेकिन इक्वेशन से मैं वहाँ भी 2 gm/r ऑफ अर्थ, यहाँ पे 2 gm/r ऑफ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ। तो इसमें लिखो बॉडी जस्ट स्केप अर्थ ग्रेविटी। हियर बॉडी just escape earth gravity along parabolic path ellipse को और एक्सटेंड करोगे तो दैट बिकम्स अ पैराबोला। ओके, एंड द सिक्स्थ वन, v greater than 2 gm/r। Here body will escape earth gravity along hyperbolic path, okay, this is parabolic path, this is hyperbolic path. Again, its proof is not required. Okay, you can, when you will learn the coordinate geometry, you can do it by yourself. Here just you have to remember these terms. Okay, so that this is the projection, and depending on velocity it is going to, now if I just make this in a figure form में मैं draw करता हूँ, this is earth, mother earth, this is V. So I am drawing the different trajectories. In different color I am using. Circular. This is first, let's say, this I am calling as a V minimum. V minimum is this. This is just मैं यहाँ पे 3 लेता हूँ. This is V orbital. This is V scape. Here for this one, V is less than V minimum. For green one, for this one, V equal to V minimum. For red one, V lies between V minimum and less than V orbital. This green one is V orbital, V is equal to V orbital. Again, this is V greater than V orbital and less than V scape at that height h. This is V greater than equal to V scape. Equal होगा तो parabolic path, greater हुआ तो elliptical path. Okay, so this is the condition for different trajectories, okay, that we have done. Now after this, some important parts already we have done, like we have seen. If I just recombine that gravitational field, that is Eg. Okay, Eg can be written as, again, gravitational potential and gravitational field, Vg. So क्या होगा, Vg, delta Vg will be minus of Eg dot dr, जो हम लोगों ने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में किया था, वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड था, यहाँ पे ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड. देन Vg means Eg can be written as minus of del V by del Vg by del x I cap, del Vg by del y j cap, del Vg by del z k cap. ओके, तो ये सारे फॉर्मूले तुमको ध्यान में रखना है. Vg is always negative, gravitational potential of mass is always negative. ओके, तो आई होप ये सबको याद होगा. For different shape you can use the same formula as we have done for electrostatic, just k replaced by this mass. In the last video of this chapter we'll go for the Kepler's law. So watch the next video. Thank you.